Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you a magic. Yes, a magic. And most of you must not have seen this magic before, and this is the magic of Excel. Okay, this magic can only happen in Excel. Okay, so just pay attention what the magic is. You can see that there is some text written over here. First number is 10, second number is 20, and total is 30. And the same text is written at the right side also. First number is 10, second number is 20, and total is 30. Okay, my dear friends. Now you all know that we cannot apply any mathematical calculations on text. For example, if I try to, suppose since first number is 10 and I want to divide that 10 by 2, I cannot do like this, equal to this divided by 2. What I will get? A value error. Because you cannot apply any mathematical calculation on a text value. Understood? Similarly, if I want to divide this 20 by this 10 in order to get 2, I cannot do that, because again the rule is you cannot multiply any mathematical calculation on a text value. Understood? Everyone knows it. There is nothing new I am telling you. But if I show you that yes, we can do this. See, this is also text and this is also text. Both are same. If there is any difference, just tell me. There is no difference. You can see that both the texts are identical. There is no difference in them. But still, I cannot divide this 10, first number 10 by 2 here. But I can divide that by 2 here. This divided by 2. And the answer is 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 20 divided by 10 is 2. What happened, guys? This is a magic. Now how this can happen? Yes, this can happen, my dear friends. It can happen. Equal to 10 plus 20 is 10 plus 20 is 30, my dear friends. So now in this video we are going to learn about this amazing feature of Excel, which is called as number formatting, or some people call it as custom number formatting. Okay, so let's start our video. So friends, you are already aware about the number formatting in Excel. Yes, you have done this before. You have applied percentage format, you have applied currency format, you have applied date format, you have applied time format, you have applied comma style. All these number formatting you have already used. For example, you must be already knowing that by default all the cells in your Excel, when you open any new Excel file, all the cells in your Excel follow general number formatting. General means no special formatting. Like all these 1000 values are following general number formatting. If you go to your home tab and under the number group, you will see this general selected everywhere. See, everywhere the general, wherever you click, because this is a new file, and wherever you click, everywhere general is selected. Then you can select number formatting from here. Instead of general, you can select number. Then you can select currency, so it will put a rupee sign. Since I am in India, it is putting rupee sign. Suppose you are in US, then it will put a dollar sign. It is as per your locale or your location. Then if you can apply accounting style, then you can apply short date. Okay, you can apply short date, long date, short date, then long date. Then you can apply percentage. You can apply time also, percentage. Then you can apply fraction also. For example, if you have this number 0.5, but you don't want to show it like that, you want to show it in the form of 1 divided by 2, then you can select fraction and it will be shown as 1 divided by 2. Okay guys, but if you notice, if you check, if you go to your formula bar here, you will see that here also it is 1000, 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 except in case of date it gets converted into date and time, date and time, okay, and in case of percentage. But for all other things, and in case of fraction also it is 0.5 only, but at the face of your cell it is showing 1 divided by 2. So this is, so by looking at this example, you can conclude that number formatting is a facade, okay. But this is all we saw is about a custom, it is about default number formatting, okay. These are all default number formatting options: general, number, currency, accounting, so and so, okay. Total 10 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 default number formatting options are there. But there are some other options also available inside Excel, which are called custom number formatting. So this is the default. You just select that option and that formatting will get applied to your cell. But if you want to apply your own formatting, you need to apply your own rules for formatting that particular cell or range. Then you can select custom number formatting. But before going to that, and before solving how I did that magic which I just showed you, let me tell you some keyboard shortcuts for all these default number formatting. So there are total 6 shortcuts are available. First shortcut is, I am just again typing this 1000 value here, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, and one more time, okay. So the first shortcut is Control plus Shift plus your key number 1, Control Shift 1, okay. I am pressing Control Shift and 1. So this is for 2 decimal, so normal number formatting, okay, option number, normal number. Then we have Control Shift 2, which is for time. See, now it is there is selected as custom, but it will be shown as a time. Then third one is Control Shift 3, which is for date, okay. Then Control Shift 4 is for currency. Then Control Shift 5 is for percent, and Control Shift 6 is for scientific. So this is the scientific format where they put it in some scientific code. We don't use it much, but yes, it is there. If you want to use it, you can use it. So just remember Control CTRL plus Shift and plus, Control plus Shift plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay guys, so just remember these shortcuts. Control plus Shift plus 1 is for number, Control plus Shift plus 2 is for time, Control plus Shift plus 3 is for date, Control plus Shift plus 4 is for currency, Control plus Shift plus 5 is for percentage, and last Control plus Shift plus 6 is for scientific. Okay, so you can just remember all these shortcuts, especially these two are often used, 1 and 2, and sometimes these 4 are often very repeatedly used. So you can easily convert or easily apply date formatting by pressing Control Shift 3, or you can easily apply percent formatting by Control Shift 5. Okay, so this is the keyboard shortcuts for applying some of the default table some of the default number formats. Now we will go to our magic one. Okay, now I have changed the magic little bit. See, now here it is a real text. If you want to check whether it is a real text or a number formatted as text, then you can just select that cell and check your formula bar. If in your formula bar the text is showing, it means it is a real text. It is actually a text and not a number formatted as text. Now if you select this number, see there is a number 10 and there is a number 10, and here if you see there is a general selected. That means there is no number formatting, custom number formatting or default number formatting. There is no number formatting is applied to this cell now. Okay, I have removed the custom number formatting which I had applied before. Okay, so now I'll show you how to apply custom number formatting. For that you need to go to Format Cells dialog box. Okay, right click and Format Cells, and there is the first option in Format Cells, number. That is why we call it as number formatting. Okay, and again inside number formatting there is the option called number, so don't get confused between these two. Okay, this is the function name, or this is a feature name, number formatting, and inside that you have 11 types of options, 11 options. Out of that, one option is number. Okay, so you can select general from here, which is default. Then you can select number, and there you can select the thousand separator and number of decimal places, then currency, then accounting, then date. Okay, you can select different date formats from here. Then time, you can select different time formats are here from here. Then percentages with the number of decimal places, you can reduce or increase the decimal places. Then fraction, I just told you. Then scientific, I just told you, it is used in for some scientific purposes, but in our normal day-to-day work we don't use this scientific option. Then text means when your cell has got already actually a text, then you will apply this text. Then we have special. So special is used for example, if you are in UK, or if you are in United States, then you have zip code or social security number. For that you can apply this special. I will just show you. Instead of English India, I will select. So there is no special formatting available for India as of now. But if I select United States from here, see, English United States, then you get these 4 options in special: zip code plus 4, phone number, and social security number. And you will get a small preview here in sample window. See, if you apply this social security number formatting to your data, it will be shown like this: 3 digits, then hyphen, then 2 digits, then hyphen, and then 4 digits. Okay. Similarly for phone number, zip code, everything, you can see the sample here. And then last is the topic of our lecture is custom number format. So there are a lot of custom number formats inbuilt in Excel. You can use them. Say the DD, MM, YY, YY. This you will not find in date. That's why they have put it in custom number formats. Okay. So I'll show you how I did that. If you want to show a text on the face of your cell, but underlying value will be number. For that, what you need to do is, you don't have to select anyone from here. You go to here under type, delete whatever is there from beginning, and you just type your text inside a quotation mark. For example, now I'm typing my text in quotation mark. First number is, okay, then space and quotation mark complete. If I keep it like this, then only this text will be shown and no number will be shown. So again after this, I will put a pound sign or hash sign. Okay, hash sign means whatever number is there, it will show there with available or significant or useful zeros. Okay, what is meant by significant zeros and insignificant zeros, that I will just tell you in some time. Okay, so as I type this code here, I have put my text inside the quotation marks and then a hash sign or pound sign. Okay, you can see the preview here. First number is 10. Now if I hit OK, it will convert it into first number is 10. Okay, then I will go to the next one. Then I will select custom and I will type second number is, then space and quotation mark complete and hash sign. Okay, second number is 20. Now see, both are looking same, but if you select this cell, you will see 20 inside and not like this. Here you can read everything inside your formula bar. Second number is 20. But here you can only see 20 because we have applied a custom number format here. Similarly, we do for this total also, custom double quote, total is space, double quote, hash sign, total is 30. Okay. Now if you see, there is a formula here. If you put formula here, 10 plus 20, it will calculate 30. You will see formula in your formula bar, but since you have applied custom number format, it will show you the value as per your custom number format. Total is 30. Okay, and you can apply any mathematical calculation on this. This multiplied by 2, this divided by 10, whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, but on the face of the cell, it will show the text which you typed inside your custom number format. Understood, students? Now there are different types of custom number formats. You can use any one of them. I will show you some 2-3 examples, but it's a vast topic and you can use any permutation combination for this and create your own rules for custom number formatting. Okay, I will show you some examples. For example, suppose I am typing here today's date. I'll just scroll it a bit. I'm typing here today's date, 18th August 2020. Okay, I'll press Ctrl Shift 3 and convert it to the date, short date, 18th August 2020. Okay, now I don't want it to be like this. I want it in the form of, say, like this. I'll type here August, then 18, then comma, then 2020, then space, and into bracket, what is the date today? Tuesday. Okay, I want it like this. Then what I need to do is, I need to go to custom. Okay, the keyboard shortcut to open this format cells dialog box is Ctrl 1. Okay, after selecting your cell, just press Ctrl 1. I am pressing Ctrl 1. Now go to custom. See, by default DD, MMM and YY are selected. DD means 2-digit date. Then MMM means 3-character month name. Like for August, it will show AUG, AUG, short form. Okay, for September, it will show SEP. Understood? And 2 times Y means it will only show the last 2 digits of your cell, last 2 digits of your year. So problem with this is, for 1920 also it will show 20, and for 2020 also it will show 20. Understood? Now I want this in this format, August 18, 2020. Okay, so what I will type here is, first one is August, so MMM. I can immediately see the preview here. Then space, then I want date, so I will type date, D. Now if I type D, a single D, and my date is a single digit date, like from 1 to 9, then it will only show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if I type 2 Ds and my date is 1 to 9, then it will show like 01, 02, 03, 09, like that. Okay, but I don't want that. If it is 1, then I want 1, not 01. Okay, so I am keeping it as D only. Then comma, then I want full year. So I don't want any confusion between 1920 and 2020. Okay, so I want full year. That's why I will type Y 4 times. 4 times Y. So now 2020 full it is showing. Then space and then into bracket. Now what I want is my day name. Okay, so it is Tuesday. So I want full Tuesday written over there. But this underlying date may change. Suppose I make it 19th August, then the Tuesday will become Wednesday. So I cannot type like this TUESDAY here. Okay, it is not possible. So what I will type here is, you know, single D means date, double D means 0, 01, 02, 03, 09. Then after 10 it is set. If I type 3 times D, then it will give me the short name of the day, that is TUE, Tuesday. Just pay attention here at this preview. Okay, and if I type 4 times D, then it will give me a full day name. Okay, Tuesday. Same thing applies to your month also. If you type 4 times M, then it will give you full month name. If you type 1 times M, then it will give you month number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. If you type 2 times, then 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 9, then 10, 11 and 12 for month. And for day, it is like this, which I have just typed. Then bracket close and enter. So now it is not coming inside your cell. That's why it is showing pound signs. You need to adjust the column width. See, it is showing exactly like this, but this is hard coded. I have typed it, and this is the number format. If I change the date to suppose July, then it will change to 5th July. Okay, now it is showing 5, not 05. If I go there and change this single D to double D, then it will show 05. See, July 05 2020 Sunday. Okay, so this is how you can apply different types of number formatting to your cell. Now I will show you one more number formatting, which is also amazing, and after that I will leave it on you to explore, to experiment and to try different combinations and share with us what different types of combinations you have applied and you have found out in number format. This is an open platform and you can try your combinations, you can do different experiments and you can use this feature as per your needs. Okay, so I'll show you the last example. For example, I have 3 values here, 50, then I have suppose 150, and then I have 250. Okay, and I'll select all the 3 values here. Then I'll go to my number formatting, custom. Now I want to show too low, the text too low if my value is less than 100. Then I want to show too high, a text too high if my value is more than 200. And if my value is not in between 100 and 200, then I want to show just right. Okay, I don't want to show any numbers here. Okay, I just want to show these 3 texts. First is too low for less than 100, then too high for more than 200, and just right for between 100 to 200. Okay, so for that, what code we will write, I'll show you. Just delete this general, then type into square bracket less than 100, square bracket close, then into text, into double quotes, too low. Okay, after that give semicolon. Semicolon means next rule. This is the first rule. Then next rule, semicolon. Again into square brackets more than 200. Square brackets close. Then into double quote, too high. Okay. Then semicolon. Sorry, here instead of semicolon I gave colon. My mistake. Sorry for that. Now semicolon, and again now 2 conditions are there. It's like if then else. If this then this, else what? Else just fine. Just right. Not fine, right. Okay. So I have mentioned my conditions, and now just pay attention at these 3 values. If I press OK, boom, it will convert to the text we gave. See, instead of 50 it is showing too low, instead of 150 it is showing just right because it is between 100 and 200, and for 250 it is showing too high. Okay guys, so this was one more example of number formatting, but if you see in your formula bar, it's still showing 50, 150 and 250. So all the formulas which I will apply to these cells will use the underlying actual number and not the number formatting. That is why it is called as number formatting is a facade. Okay, it is a facade. Facade means false display. Okay, false display. The underlying value is something else, but what you see on the face of your cell is something else. But this is very useful in case of presentations, in case of formatting, or in case of making your file little bit interesting. This is a very useful feature, and you can see and you can think of it how useful it can be. Okay, so just make use of it in your day-to-day work and share your experience with us. And till the time I get back with the new video, just keep learning, keep smiling, and keep in touch. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.